Welcome to this beautiful Azimut 75. She's a 2005 and a very well-maintained example. The owner hasn't spared any expenses and the crew is the same since the beginning, and everywhere you go you can really feel and see that it's immaculate condition. From the teak to the interior, which has a 4-cabin layout, and each cabin has its own bathroom and suite, toilet and shower compartment. We have a very contemporary interior design, which basically means it never ages, so you can step on board, and for me it feels like it's from 2016. It's so fresh, so new, and with the big saloon windows, it has a lot of natural light. So join me on board and I'll give you a little tour. In the Spacious Saloon you have everything you need with the double-sided sofa layout and the 2 stools. The TV comes up automatically, and just behind you see an 8-people dining table opposite of the starboard side open galley arrangement. Now the special feature I want to mention are those nice Japanese sliding doors that can hide the helm station. This full beam master cabin gives us a lot of space on the Azimut 75. There is a special dinette installed with a table so you can eat a little breakfast here. The TV is wall mounted but retractable, so you can change position to watch it from the bed or from the seating area. And of course also the nice and big windows are a special feature in this owner's cabin. We have a lot of wind and it's the Val de Saint-Tropez going on, and it's beautiful to enjoy. You will see it in the drone video footage. In this bow area, what is really special about the Azimut 75, you have this sunbathing area that is covered with this kind of little bimini top. And also you have a lot of arrangement where you can put the fenders completely inside here and here. So also the anchor arrangement is hidden, which is really nice if you walk around with family. Nobody crashes the feet, and it's a very clean designed space where you can comfortably sunbathe, enjoy your time without being distracted by the normal cluttery down here. So I personally very much like this space. So as you can see, you can open up here, put all the fenders inside. They really go down completely, and then even in the middle here you have the anchor arrangement, so everything's super nice and clean. Here is a very spacious Flybridge. All the equipment, the navigation equipment is arranged where you need it. The levers are easily in reach of your hand. You have a very good overview. You see the front, both sides. You can walk around, and even when you maneuvering in the harbor, you can just watch down to the platform. So I think it's a great space. And what I personally like most, because I got a family, is that the kids can sunbathe, they can jump around here, but also you have a very big table. You have a nice wet bar and kitchen where you get everything from the ice maker to the little where you can wash your hands. So I think it's very well equipped. So here you have the nice arrangement with the grill, which is again beautifully maintained. You see really no stain. You have the lavabo here where you can wash your hands. And then down here, if you open these compartments, you got a nice little fridge. I'm sitting a bit lower now because of the wind. Behind me you see the hydraulic crane that you can operate and lift the tender into the water. Of course you can also put a jet ski. The table is also able to slide together, and you can take out those middle compartments. And this is a really beautiful, nice, big sun lounging area, which I really prefer to have it arranged like this. This is the kitchen. It has a lot of space, and as you see, you can close down the jalousie here. You have a very big fridge and freezer combination. Behind me is the lavabo, nice window. You have a door that you can go outside. Here's the Miele stove and oven combination, and then you have the drawer here that you can open up for all the nice glass and tableware. Very practical. So I think that's it about the kitchen. This is one of the 2 guest cabins with the bed each side. Lots of room to move, natural light, and just behind you is the ensuite shower and toilet compartment. In this VIP cabin you can really not tell that the boat was built in 2005. She has the big portholes each side, giving you a lot of natural light coming in, and also you have a queen size bed with the full length of 2 meters. And if you follow me here, you can see loads of storage space in the wall, and also just behind me in all these cupboards. You can open them up and everything can be stowed nicely away. One of the special features I want to mention is the central staircase, allowing a lot of natural light into the corridor towards the cabins. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you want more information, just click on the link below and you get everything you need. Let me give you 5 reasons why this might just be the boat for you. Number 1, she has lots of interior volume, family-friendly boat. Number 2, she has very clever 4 cabins layout, with each cabin has its own separate shower and toilet compartment. Number 3, you have lots of sunbathing space. Number 4, you have the very big and spacious Flybridge. And last but not least, number 5, the interior design is very timeless, contemporary, and I think you can't really tell that she was built in 2005. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.